to know that the Lord has healed your soul. Have you forgotten what you need to do? Sometimes the road is so long, and I know sometimes you feel like you just can't go on, but you can. I know sometimes the road is so long. Sometimes you feel like you just can't go on. With God you
matai via tuile tua le tua le tua.
Ladies and gentlemen, You Alone Chorus from the Congregational Christian Church of Samoan in Mangere East. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you. Now I'm going to stop one of